welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert YouTube video to your Microsoft PowerPoint slide. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is my PowerPoint slide. I want to insert YouTube video on this slide. So all I have to do, so just select insert and then select video, then select online video. So make sure your PC or laptop connected with internet, and then you just need to copy your YouTube video link, and this link you just need to paste on here. So I just paste my YouTube video link. Here you can see my video already loading. You just need to wait. So after that select insert, and then again you just need to wait a couple of moments. And after that here you can see it's already inserted. Right now you can resize it. Also you can replace one place to another place. So in this way you can insert YouTube video to your Microsoft PowerPoint slide. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.